would like to congratulate Cherlapalli Industry Association. I understand that this is the third edition of the program. I have never earlier seen a program like this being organized by the Industry Association, and I really find it done very professionally and well done. When I came into industrial area, I actually did not feel that this is an industrial area. Roads are clean, wide, well-laid roads, very clean and good environment. And during the course of discussion, I found out that this is a green and clean industrial estate. Most of the industries which are here are non-polluting in nature. I understand that this is a large industrial estate, probably the second largest in Hyderabad, which is spread over around 1,200 acres and has around 800 enterprises, largely plastic and various other associated industries, metal forming, other things. I was very happy to do it when I was seeing your website yesterday that this is the only dustbin-free association in Hyderabad. That garbage is collected from the unit itself by the local authorities, which is something very heartening to note. Actually, we are very about keeping the environment clean. Environment is something which is very dear to us. We run special schemes where we promote energy efficiency, cleaner production, which we have been doing for more than 2 decades. We have had an opportunity to work with various associations in Hyderabad. Probably this is our first effort to come in all out, and we would certainly like to associate more and more. First, I would like to say a little bit about what we are doing currently at SIDBI. Banking, as you knew it, loaning as we knew it, is changing. Now, most of the things are getting automated. We don't need you to give information to us. You need to approach us either in person or online. And in industrial loans up to 1 crore rupees can be done automatically. Usually when you apply and there's not much documentation to be submitted, most of it is done online because now GST is online, which gives your turnover information, while your banking is online, where you give your banking information. And we are able to pull your histories from the bureau and other places. As Sudhir Reddy was saying that civil damage occurs because of very small payments. So my only submission here is that your ability to take credit, now civil and the bureau play a very, very huge role. So it is my advice to people that compliances have become very, very important and they will continue to be important. So as we progress in life and when we want to grow, what would be necessary is that we should have more and more compliance orientation, and we should try and comply to various things, including our repayment commitments, meeting them on time. Yes, I understand, there are times when situations get out of hand, there are difficulties, but we need to address them. Even the government came forward and as you know, during the COVID time when liquidity became such a huge issue for everybody, the government came out with a scheme where we gave liquidity support, and I think SIDBI was at the forefront of that. Quite a large number of people here who are our customers would have actually got it. Even if they did not get it through SIDBI, whatever assistance they got through Torrent or Liquid or various other means from other banks, all of it was guaranteed by the National Credit Guarantee Company, which is a SIDBI associate. It is of course a company floated by DFS, but running of the company is looked after by SIDBI. Similarly, on the guarantee side, SIDBI has not only been running CGTMC, which gives guarantees today for loans up to 5 crore rupees at very, very concessional guarantee rates which used to be 1.5% on the sanction amount have come down drastically, and now they can be as low as 0.36% for smaller loans. That collateral is no longer a constraint. On the SIDBI side, we today, of course, our strength continues to be project finance. We look at greenfield projects and do it. But machinery finance and solar is something we actually look at doing very quickly. This is something which is to be experienced. We run a product called Express Loans, which is an online product where you need to apply online. All information is collected online and you'll get a sanction letter if you go through immediately in 20 minutes, and it can be disbursed very quickly. With this, I would not go into details about what we are doing at SIDBI, but my request to all the people here is to actually try and experience various products which we offer. And as we discussed in the morning, whenever you have your next monthly meeting, please invite us. We will come and also make a presentation in detail about how we can assist MSMEs here. Because, there are MSMEs like Ramesh is, which is making pollution control equipment. Pollution control again is a very good place where we would like to intervene, and we would like to be present there. Because we concentrate on cleaner production, and way back in 2004-5 we were running this program with LW Germany. So we would like to be associated there. We would like to be associated with other sectors also. People who need smaller loans for machinery, whomever they may be banking with, they can approach us online, and we could look at it through the express route, which can come in with as low as a 25% FD as collateral. We do 100% funding for the machinery, and the rates we also are one of the most competitive in the market. Even today, my MCLR I am holding at 8.2%. For nearly last 1 year, SIDBI has now raised its MCLR. If you compare it to most of the other banks, we are 60 to 70 basis below them. So that allows us to offer better rates. With this, I would like to congratulate the office bearers and everybody else for organizing a very good program.